The world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is no stranger to innovation. Every day new platforms emerge, each promising to revolutionize the way we trade and interact with digital assets. Hyperliquid enters this arena with a bold vision to deliver a truly next-generation decentralized exchange. This is not merely an incremental improvement, it's a complete reimagining of what a DEX can be. Hyperliquid is built from the ground up with a focus on speed, transparency, and user experience. These elements are not just buzzwords, but core principles that permeate every aspect of the platform. In an increasingly crowded space, Hyperliquid stands out for its commitment to providing a seamless and secure trading environment for all. The platform is designed to be accessible to both newcomers and seasoned traders. This means that whether you're just starting your DeFi journey or are a seasoned veteran, Hyperliquid offers something valuable. Its intuitive interface and robust feature set make it the ideal platform for anyone looking to participate in the future of finance. With its innovative technology and user-centric approach, Hyperliquid is poised to become a major force in the DeFi revolution. At the heart of Hyperliquid lies a powerful combination: a native Layer 1 blockchain and the innovative HyperBFT consensus mechanism. These technological advancements are not merely window dressing, they are the very foundation upon which the platform's speed, security, and scalability are built. The dedicated Layer 1 blockchain ensures that Hyperliquid operates independently, free from the constraints and congestion issues that plague many other DEX. This translates into faster transaction speeds and lower fees for users. The HyperBFT consensus mechanism is another key differentiator. This state-of-the-art technology enables Hyperliquid to achieve remarkable levels of throughput without compromising on security or decentralization. Unlike traditional proof-of-work or proof-of-stake systems, HyperBFT can process a high volume of transactions with incredible speed and efficiency. This makes Hyperliquid ideal for high-frequency trading and ensures a smooth user experience even during periods of peak demand. Hyperliquid sets itself apart from the competition with its unique approach to order execution. While many DEX rely on automated market makers, Hyperliquid employs a fully on-chain order book system. This fundamental difference brings about a number of significant advantages for traders. On-chain order books provide unparalleled transparency, allowing users to see the full depth and liquidity of the market in real time. This eliminates the possibility of hidden orders or price manipulation, fostering a fairer and more efficient trading environment. The on-chain order book also enables advanced order types that are simply not possible with automated market makers. Traders can place limit orders, market orders, and even stop-loss orders, giving them greater control over their trading strategies. This level of sophistication opens up a world of possibilities for experienced traders while remaining accessible to those new to the DeFi space.